Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos without cheese. First, choose a bag of sturdy tortilla chips. These will be your delicious foundation. Spread them out evenly in a single layer on a baking sheet. Next, prepare your favorite plant-based cheese sauce alternative. This could be a cashew-based sauce, a nutritional yeast blend, or a store-bought vegan queso. Get ready to build some amazing flavor. Now it's time to layer on the flavor. Drizzle your plant-based cheese sauce over the chips. Then, add your favorite seasoned plant-based protein, like crumbled tofu or lentils, or simply some well-seasoned black beans. Scatter fresh vegetables such as diced tomatoes, red onions, and bell peppers. For a little heat, don't forget to add some sliced jalapenos. Once your nachos are fully loaded, it's time to bake them to perfection. Place the baking sheet into an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Let them bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the toppings are warm and the chips are slightly crispy. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. Finally, garnish with fresh cilantro and a generous dollop of guacamole. Your incredible note cheese nachos are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately while they are warm and the flavors are at their peak. Consider offering a variety of dipping sauces on the side, like salsa, vegan sour cream, or extra hot sauce, to customize each bite. These plant-based nachos are a fantastic, flavorful alternative for any snack or meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.